Fellas, if your wife has to constantly ask you for help at Disney, you are not being a husband. You are an employee who missed a shift. Hello everybody, and welcome back to your Delaware Disney People. Today, we are going to talk about how to help your wife at Disney without being asked, without being micromanaged, and most importantly, without getting the look. And we all know the look. It's the I love you, but I will leave you in the gorilla cage at Animal Kingdom look. Here's the truth, fellas. Disney with toddlers, not a vacation. Said that many times, but it is a team sport. And some of you, you're out here playing like it's a solo campaign. So guys, the first thing you need to understand, your wife is not your manager. She should not be having to say things like, hey, can you go grab them a snack? Hey, how about a diaper change? Hey, you know what, hon? Can you push the stroller for 10 seconds so I can breathe? Because if she has to assign you tasks, you are not helping. You are assisting. You basically become Siri, but with worse response time. So bottom line, start scanning like a dad on a mission. And instead of waiting for instruction, why don't you start asking yourself, who's hungry? Who needs a diaper change? Does my wife need a break? And why is my child suddenly quiet? Because trust me guys, silence at Disney, it's not a break. It's a setup. And guys, this is where most Disney dads fall short. We typically try to just help a little bit with everything. No, that's just chaos. Bottom line guys, own a lane. So I don't care whether you become the snack guy, the stroller driver, the lightning lane captain, or my personal favorite, Meltdown negotiator. Just pick a lane and dominate it. Guys, the reality is, you should know your snack inventory more than Disney knows churros. So guys, when you own that lane, if you have to ask your wife a question about it, you have failed. Miserably and spectacularly. So now, let's talk about the most valuable skill at Disney with toddlers. Meltdown prevention. Toddlers don't just explode randomly. Believe it or not, there are signs. Slower walking, random whining, a sudden emotional attachment to a rock. And if they ask for something and immediately reject it, it's coming. Fellas, if your kid says, I'm fine, abort mission. They are not fine. These are things you can do before the meltdown. Offer a snack. Suggest a ride. Find shade. Just go and sit down. Because trust me, your goal now is to solve the problem before your wife even realizes there is one. You basically have to become Disney Batman. So guys, time to take a little initiative here, because this one might save your entire vacation. Here's a thought. Just take the kids. Oh, and don't ask her to take a break. Just say, hey, you know what? Go take a break for 20 minutes. I've got them. I know, crazy, right? And then after the complete shock wears off her face and she goes away, actually handle it. Because if you say, I've got them, and then the next words out of your mouth are, where are the snacks? Where are the wipes? What are we doing next? Nope, you cannot do that now. You are on your own, soldier. And guys, if you do this, and most importantly, do it right, that 20-minute break could be the difference between a nice relaxing day or a very silent ride home. So guys, let's talk about the boring stuff. You really want to be a hero at Disney? Do the stuff that nobody wants to do. Because we're talking about the unsexy tasks. Diaper changes, bathroom runs, filling water bottles, parking the stroller, carrying the bags. Because nothing says, I love you, like voluntarily entering a Disney bathroom. Oh, and guys, if your wife is already doing all of those things, no, you're not helping. You're spectating. But most importantly, guys, just be present. Don't just be there. This one's big. Helping isn't just doing tasks. It's showing up and being present. You see your kids getting impatient in line? Get off your phone. Actually talk to them. You might learn a thing or two. Oh, and maybe even get them hyped up for the ride. You see something that warrants a photo? Take it. But actually enjoy the moment. Because if your only contribution to this trip is carrying a backpack, you're doing it wrong. Your wife doesn't just need help. She needs a partner. Someone who's actually in it with her, not just standing next to her. Been there, done that, got the t-shirt. It doesn't fit. Because guys, Disney with toddlers is a lot. It is loud, it's chaotic, it's exhausting. But it's also an experience that you're never gonna get back. And your wife is carrying way more of it than you realize. Don't wait to be asked. Step up, pay attention, take the initiative, learn from my mistakes. The goal is not to just survive Disney. It's to leave with your marriage intact. So if this helped you at all, or maybe even called you out a little bit, hit that like button and subscribe, and drop a comment down below. How do you feel you're able to help your wife the most at Disney? Every family is different, and I certainly look forward to hearing all of your responses. In the meantime, take care, everybody, and we'll see you in the next one. Have a good one.